Hello. Mm. Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome to Redicate Foods, a channel of amazing recipes, a channel of African traditional recipes, a channel of easy recipe. And now, okay, I'm back with whole chicken air fryer recipe. So, kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, you wash your chicken well and very clean, then you make slits all over. So just the way I'm doing it, you make slits, even to the thighs, to the drumstick here, make slits everywhere so that we can do the marination, or the marinade can get into it well. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for marination. Here I have some paprika. I have a tablespoon of paprika. And guys, make sure that you give equal ratio. And then now here I'm going to have chicken curry powder. So chicken curry powder. And then also here I have curry powder itself, just also a tablespoon of curry powder. Then I have some salt. I'm going to make some salt to make it taste. And then lastly, I'm going to add the garlic powder. Sorry, that is not rice, but garlic powder. Then some vegetable cooking oil. So if you have whatever kind of cooking oil that you have, just sprinkle it. Then some lemon juice. Sprinkle some lemon juice to the chicken. Now let's start marinating. So guys, apart from those ingredients, we also have some ingredients here for this marinade. This one, the chicken, now we are going to keep it aside for about 30 minutes. After doing this, we'll keep them then make sure you rub all the spices in between the slits to make sure that every part of the chicken gets marinated well. Then you can also rub some lemon juice on top, on the final one, before you keep it aside. And then make sure you rub the lemon juice also well, very, very, very well. Guys, this lemon makes it even more and more tastier. So guys, after this, I'm going to cover it for 30 minutes. Then come to next step. So stay tuned. 30 minutes later, it's done. Now we are going to keep it inside this hair fryer. We are going to hair fry it for 30 minutes, guys. So here we are. When setting air fryer, put 40 minutes so that you give the allowance of turning the chicken. So guys, it's 20 minutes and we are going to turn the chicken to the other side. Aish, it's hot. So what I'm going to do, I'll use a plate. A plate will help me turn it. So you can see the other side is cooked and the other side is not cooked. So this is what I'm going to do. Finally, I've turned it and so I'm going to take it back for another 20 minutes, guys. So 20 minutes are over. Look at my chicken. So it's very hot, guys. This will help me take it out. So just see. So guys, from this point, I'm going to make it juicy. I have tomato ketchup here. This is mustard. Mix it with mustard. So guys, remember I told you this is juicy whole chicken air fried. So after air frying it, we are going to make it juicy using this ingredient, tomato ketchup and mustard. So just sprinkle it this way. So turn the other side. Do the same to this side also. So next, this is egg yolk. We're going to use our egg yolk to garnish our chicken. So make sure it's just egg yolk, then some diced coriander. Do it this way, mix it well. Then we are going to spread it over our chicken. So appetizing, guys. Just look at this. Then we'll take it back to the air fryer, and then now we are going to give it another 15 minutes. Wow, my chicken is wow, it's just look at my chicken, guys. Very appetizing, so nice. I love this chicken. For my love for chicken, I love chicken, guys. So guys, this kind of recipe you can do it for your guests, you can do them for your loved family. It's very juicy. The taste of orange there. And then with these spices, it's spicy, guys, and it's very tender and very nice. Wow. So try it out. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.